Miss Universe.
Yay! Thanks, Raish.
Thank you.
Hi, congratulations, ladies. How do you feel?
Amazing. I can't even describe it.
Mariel, ready na? International?
Anong
klaseng pressure yung nararamdaman mo? Kasi back-to-back ang inaano sa'yo, ha?
Well, I'm not thinking about it right now because I still haven't absorbed what just happened. I'll give it time.
Pero natupad mo yung promise mo sa parents mo? Ayan.
Thank you.
Okay,
Mariel, pasasalamat sa lahat ng sumuporta sa'yo from the start.
Thank you so much for all my Delayans, all the people that have loved and supported me from the start. This round is for you.
Universe and target mo, international lang ibinigay. Anong masasabi mo?
Well, I wanted international naman besides Universe. It's like equal to me. So
Okay.
I'm happy.
ano yung gagawin mo after winning the crown?
I'm gonna eat for now and then start again.
Yung parents mo hindi daw kayang manood ng live, parang nasa hotel.
Yes, but they're here now.
Ano masasabi, parang mas nervous sila kaysa sa'yo?
Yes, well, of course, it's natural. They're parents, so I don't know.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hey, Katarina! Congratulations! You did very well. Ikaw daw pinakamagaling sa Q&A, ha?
Oh, thank you. Maraming salamat.
Ano masasabi mo sa mga sumuporta sa'yo?
Sorry?
Sa mga sumuporta sa'yo?
I want to thank them so much. I made a lot of friends. I thought I was going to enter this pageant alone, but thanks to all of my supporters, my fans, you guys were amazing. You guys made this an experience for me, and I would not change a single thing.
And Miss Intercontinental, what are your
Yes.
preparations for it?
Okay.
And how did you study the pageant?
For Miss Intercontinental, I'm not too familiar with it, so this is going to be a challenge for me. I just know it's run by Germans, so that's going to be quite exciting. And I know Jennifer Hammond, I know she's a very intelligent woman, so I have big shoes to fill.
Okay.
Thank you. I'll see you inside.
Yes, thank you.
Where inside?
Where?
And where
Say
is
hi
that?
to Jeff Fernando.
Hello.
Yes. Oh, diba? Uy, Katarina, ang galing mo.
Thank you.
Lampa pang more. What are you gonna do after this?
Sleep forever.
Pasok na tayo mga kapatid. Nandito yung ibang mga winner at ready na tayo mag-interview sa mga after na sponsors nito.
Ay, no media. Come on, Kat.
Mag-hi ka naman din eh sa mga from Philippines. Say hi. Interview after with the press. So now we're very busy.
Good job, girl.
Yes, any of course message for all the people who supported you?
Well, first of all, gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa pamilya ko at sa mga taong naniwala at sumuporta sa akin ngayong gabing ito. At maraming salamat din po sa BPCI sa opportunity na binigay nila sa amin.
Nagulat ka ba sa resulta?
Actually, hindi naman po masyado. So, lahat naman happy sa result.
Anong gagawin mo pagkatapos ng gabi nito?
Well, siguro, mag-experiment muna ako ng time para sa sarili ko, together with my family. That's it. Thank you. Thank you po.
Congratulations!
Thank you.
Of course, message mo lang sa mga sumuporta sa'yo, mga fans.
Sobrang nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng simula umpisa nang nagsimula mo ng pageant, sa mga taong patuloy na sumusuporta hanggang sa makarating ako ng Binibining Pilipinas. Sobrang pagmamahal ang inaalay ko sa inyo. Para sa inyo yung laban ko.
Ano yung masasabi mo sa mga batchmates mo sa Binibining at nag-experience mo this year?
This year, sobrang competition. Talagang lahat beautiful. Everyone is very talented and very well fit. Yeah. And I am one of the smallest, as you can see. And I think I did a good
Nagulat ka, no?
Yeah, sir. But I've been into pageants for 5 years now. So,
You deserve it.
thank you.
Congratulations.
Next year.
I have no plans, so I'm still focusing on my profession.